Hi Alone, welcome back to Sihala Dharana. Are you ready to have some fun and learn Sinhala? So, today we are checking out some super important body parts like your head, your hands, your legs, and guess what? I have already made two more videos on body parts, so don't forget to watch those too. Then let's get started. Meet our cute baby, who is here to help us learn Sinhala body parts. Okay, friends, starting with the boss of the body, the head. In Sinhala, we call it Oluva. Repeat after me. Oluva. That's the word we use when talking normally. But in written or formal version, we say hisa. Hisa. Got it? Alright, friends, let's talk about hands. So, what do we say for one hand in Sinhala? We say Atta. Say it with me. Atta. Atta. Got it? Okay, then what about two hands? Great question. In Sinhala, we say Addeka. Addeka. Because deka means two. Repeat after me. Addeka. Now, what if we are talking about many hands? Fantastic. For that, we simply say At. At. Hope you got it. So let's sum it up. One hand, At. Two hands, Addeka. Many hands, At. Easy, right? Here is a quick example to make everything super clear and easy to remember. My hand is in pain. Mage අත රිදෙනවා. My two hands are in pain. මගේ අත් දෙක රිදෙනවා. My hands are in pain. මගේ අත් රිදෙනවා. This same pattern works exactly the same for legs too. Leg, kakula, kakula. Legs, kakul, kakul. Two legs, kakul deka, kakul deka. And finally, let's talk about one of the most important parts of the body, your stomach. In Sinhala, we call it bada. Repeat after me, bada. And if you want the formal or written Sinhala word for stomach, we say udaraya, udaraya. But make sure to use the word bada when you are speaking normally. Alright, you have just covered one of the biggest parts of our lesson today. I'm so happy you are watching and learning with me. එහෙනම් ගිහින් එන්නම් පරිස්සමින් ඉන්න